How to support friends with mental health issues. Supporting friends with mental health issues can feel challenging, but your care and understanding can make a significant positive impact. When a friend is struggling, it is natural to want to help, yet it is important to approach the situation with empathy, patience, and awareness. Here are some thoughtful and practical ways to provide meaningful support while maintaining healthy boundaries. Listen without judgment. One of the most impactful ways to support a friend is to offer a listening ear. Creating a space where they feel safe to share their feelings without fear of judgment is crucial. You do not need to have all the answers or offer advice immediately. Sometimes, simply listening attentively can make a friend feel less alone. When they open up, acknowledge their feelings by using phrases like, "I'm here for you," or, "That sounds really tough. I'm sorry you're feeling this way." Educate yourself about mental health. Understanding what your friend is experiencing can deepen your empathy and make your support more effective. Take the time to educate yourself about mental health conditions, including symptoms, challenges, and ways to cope. This does not mean you should become an expert, but having a basic understanding can help you approach conversations with greater sensitivity and compassion. Encourage professional help. Although your support is invaluable, professional help is often necessary for mental health issues. Encourage your friend to seek guidance from a therapist, counselor, or other mental health professional. You can gently suggest resources or offer to help them research options. If they feel hesitant or overwhelmed, you might volunteer to accompany them to their first appointment for moral support, if they are comfortable with it. Be patient and understanding. Recovery and managing mental health issues is a journey, not a quick fix. Your friend may have good days and difficult ones, and their emotions may change without warning. Be patient and try to avoid expressing frustration or dismissing their feelings. Understand that their behaviors may not always make sense to you, but they are likely doing their best to cope with what they are experiencing. Set boundaries and take care of yourself. While supporting your friend, it is important to take care of your own mental and emotional well-being. Being a supportive friend does not mean you have to sacrifice your own needs. Setting healthy boundaries will prevent you from becoming overwhelmed or burned out. Communicate openly with your friend about what you can and cannot offer. For example, if late-night phone calls are too taxing, let them know when you are available to talk and when you need to focus on your own rest. Offer practical help. Sometimes, small, practical gestures can provide significant relief. If your friend is feeling overwhelmed, offering to help with specific tasks like grocery shopping, cooking meals, or accompanying them on errands can lighten their burden. Be sure to ask first to ensure your help is welcome and not overstepping. Avoid minimizing their feelings. Comments like "everyone feels this way sometimes" or "just think positive" may be intended to comfort but can often make your friend feel misunderstood. Instead, acknowledge their feelings and validate their experiences. You might say, "It sounds like you're really struggling right now, and I'm so sorry. I'm here if you want to talk." Check in regularly. Mental health struggles can make people feel isolated and forgotten. Regularly checking in on your friend, even with a simple text message to say "thinking of you," can make a big difference. It reminds them that you care and that they are not alone in their journey. However, respect their space if they need time to themselves and let them know you will be there whenever they are ready. Encourage healthy habits. While it is not your role to act as their counselor, you can gently encourage your friend to engage in activities that support their well-being. Suggest going for a walk together, practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing, or participating in hobbies that they enjoy. Approach these suggestions as invitations rather than instructions. Know when to seek help. If your friend appears to be in crisis or at risk of harming themselves or others, do not hesitate to seek professional help immediately. Familiarize yourself with emergency resources and crisis hotlines in your area so you can act quickly if needed. Let your friend know that you care deeply and want to ensure their safety. Supporting friends with mental health issues requires compassion, patience, and awareness. By listening without judgment, educating yourself, and encouraging professional help, you can play a vital role in their journey toward healing. Remember to take care of yourself and set boundaries so you can continue to offer meaningful support.